Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight. Go get after it. Enemies are dropping.
Puta madre, luego me va a dar un cobarde.
Te vi, Happy, ya te vi. Pendejo se...
It's all on you.
No agarró.
Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
Ese portero no muy loco.
LDVR, ready for launch.
They look like the gremlins.
FFV, danger close. Over. Incoming LDVR.
Eyes on fields upgrade.
You have
Pero, güey.
reinforcements inbound.
No, te voy a torcer.
Aquí hay alguien, aquí hay alguien, aquí hay alguien.
Está acá abajo, güey.
Se tiró para abajo, se tiró para abajo. Ya, ahí está.
There's so many people there. Oh my god.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
I kind of want to leave, bro.
Leave, go somewhere else.
¿Qué te pasó, pa? ¿Qué te pasó?
Dejo tú, perro. Ya te voy diciendo un pendejo.
Aquí hay un pendejo, aquí hay un pendejo. ¿Qué corre, güey? ¿Qué corre, güey?
Go somewhere else. I'll meet you somewhere else.
I'm gonna
Safer.
stop. Literally.
That's how you. He's broken. He's fighting. Oh, fuck.
No, I'm lagging, and of
Your
course
squad
you
is
died.
down.
I'm lagging.
Stay alive to bring them back.
There's so many dudes on this map. I was sniping. Those guys burned me. Oh, that's brutal. That's alright. 5 seconds. You can, just stay alive.
I hear him, but
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas
where
is
did this lag
inbound.
come from? I didn't even lagging.
Enemy soldier incoming.
So many people chased me. That was actually so pretty fun.
Cold world.
Hey, where you at?
Yeah, what is this lag? Hold up. What the fudge?
What's up in here while you figure it out?
I'm good now.
Only 25 left.
Damn,
Keep
right
up
in
the
the
good
middle
work.
right there. That's God.
That sucks. We would definitely have to go for that. Let's just go to the room.
But let's go lowdown now.
We're gonna die if we go for that shit, bro.
But let's go. No, like we have money in here. Let's buy money right here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Nobody in here. He ends up on the last friend. See, we have it now. But we're not by a store.
We are by a store.
That store I feel is the shadiest store, you know?
Yeah, we got no voice though.
Almost, yeah. I got 9,000.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
I bought a mask too. That's pretty much the shit with me.
Alright, let's go to the room.
Did you grab a mask?
Yeah, I got it.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Yep, and I got my
Sending
stick
shock charge.
Yeah.
Enemy UAV is online.
Bring mine down.
Alright. Hey, we're good.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Blast trap out. Marking field upgrade.
Somebody just threw that grenade somewhere.
No, I think that was me throwing the stick.
Oh, that gave a weird sound.
Arming spring mine.
Hostiles have established the SAM turret. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Alright, we got this one, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Saca de onda esa madre, no.
On top of us.
Dude, on our fucking rooftop right now.
Resurgence
Tú unos ahí,
window
¿dónde
is
estás tú?
ending. Watch your six. Ten remain. You're almost done here. 5 squads still operational in the AO. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Oye, Toy, ya
Got
le
gas
pegué duro.
moving in.
Corrió.
They're fighting up here.
Acá está, era. Ahí lo tengo. No le digo.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Ahí le tiré un motor strike.
Quiero jugo.
Andan abajo.
He said andan abajo, they're about to come.
Resurgence is closed. No more second chances.
They're really coming our way.
Te vas a caer, tío, vas a caer.
Ahí andan, vente.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
Like the map showed,
Got an
and
extra
they're all
valuable
like in the
opportunity
prison
here.
right now.
Don't miss your shot.
Yeah,
It's fucked.
Se brincaron para abajo,
Está
güey.
volando el panetón.
it's all good.
They're talking about jumping down.
Ya no.
Agua.
They're saying us.
Yeah, I hear shit. Footsteps.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Ahí vienen para arriba estos
Squad's in the
vatos.
safe
We're
zone.
in the circle pretty
Gas
solid.
is
Vienen para
closing
arriba.
in.
No traigo nada, mamón, no he matado ni uno, la verdad que no llevo nada de daño. No, manches.
Ah, wait, sniper, sniper, sniper.
They're fighting.
No.
Enemy airstrike in the area.
Alright, we're good.
This was definitely jumping off. Like on top
Justo va.
of us. What the fuck?
Oh, I got it.
Yeah,
Tenemos una pequeña.
Están arriba, ahí están arriba, ahí están arriba.
this was
Vienen
me.
para abajo.
Not
Estaba,
for me.
lo que ahí se me escapó con vida el perro.
Sweet.
Oh, sniper.
There's an
Down,
increased
down,
payout for this job. Be sure to
Down,
collect.
down.
Well, let's use our gas mask and go out this way. Ready?
You sure?
Otro no.
Get out here.
Safe zone is a long way from your location.
They're on the tower. They're on the tower. On the tower. 6 left.
Task LDBR against my target.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
In the window, I think that's open one.
Blast trap set.
Right there, straight. Alright, we're good. That's gas. Ugh.
You're losing ground. Moving.
Pick up a mine. Pick up a mine, bro.
I dropped it.
Yeah, right there on the box. Look. On the
Oh,
top.
that's... Alright.
Arming blast trap.
Only 4 remain. Finish the job.
What the fuck?
Oh, that would have been sick. Gather to your right.
Ay, güey.
Enemy thermal barrack.
Last chance, soldier. Kill or be killed.
No! Let's go, bro! There you go! That was sick! That was sick! And on camera, you locked in, dog.
Es que no lo veía, güey.
You locked in, dog. That was so well played.
Al otro sí la tenemos.
That's why I didn't even say anything. I was like, I'm gonna let this one
Déjame el
work.
arma al chile ya mismo.
That was crazy.
Dale,
bro.
vermonga.
¿Cuál? ¿De punto?
Damn, wait. Oh, fuck, I didn't record the replay for the homie, but let me hit him with the FOMO. You did, like, the way you were hiding and shit. No, I can't record, mate. Send it on the back. Whatever. I was gonna send it to the fools. Oh, wait, let's just send them the picture. So Brian can hate. That was sick as fuck. I almost want to stop the stream. That shit was sick. God. That shit was so cool. Yeah, that shit felt so cool that I'm like, damn, I wanna stop the stream, bro. And that's it for tonight. Oh damn.
Mic drop. Yeah, that felt fucking good, bro. I think my movement was pretty good. The gas mask did good work. That was what you gave me earlier, I'm pretty sure.
They were like, where'd that fool go?
Yeah, hella long.
That shit was cool. That stair move you did? That shit was cool. Those, I think you would have got me doing that too, you know?